Here we have a new shaped Land Rover Defender, and what we've done, installed a Ghost Immobiliser into this vehicle. Now, with all the Land Rover products, the Range Rover group, even Jaguar, part of all of that, they're being heavily stolen at the moment, but especially the Range Rovers and these Defenders. And some form of security is, I think, is essential now. It's not even an option, just a way that these are being stolen on a daily basis. So the customer wanted something very simple, wanted something that's not visual, didn't want to carry anything, don't want to have any tags with them or anything like that, and no indication that there's a product that's been installed into the vehicle, but they still want it protected. So the Ghost Immobiliser was probably the best choice for this customer. So what I'm going to show you how it works without actually doing anything. So it's at an immobilised state. So if I jump in, if I try to start it, it won't start. It won't start at all. So what I'm going to enter the code. So what you've got to do is turn the ignition on. Now I'm going to enter the code. And what you do, you wait for the 2 indicator flashes, like what's just happened. And now I can start the vehicle. And that's it, the vehicle started, it's deimmobilised. You can just drive off in it. So the code is actually not a keypad that's installed in a vehicle, is any sequence of buttons that's been programmed to it. You could change it as well, so it doesn't have to be one particular button and that's it. So what we do, we tend to put something very simple in, demonstrate it to the customer, and then they change it to what they like to have it, and we don't know what it is. And it's simple as that. So there's nothing actually mounted on the dash. It's just literally you enter the factory buttons and whatever sequence you want to do, or how many times you want to do it, and that'll disengage the immobiliser, and then you can start it. But what you have to do is make sure that it flashes twice before you do start it. Simple as that, nothing complicated. So that is the Ghost Immobiliser installed on this Land Rover Defender.